Welcome to How to Plate for Profit. My name is Ntewak Umoh, and this is the platform where I show restaurants and hotel owners and managers how to put systems in place that would help them manage their costs so that they can make profits consistently. I mean, every single month. Yes, it is possible to make profits every week. Here's the thing that most people don't want to talk about. Having many food orders doesn't automatically translate to profit. The journey to profit with a restaurant is not that straightforward. You need to take a bus, then an Uber, sometimes a first flight ticket, then a kick and a pep before you take a bike and learn where the profit is. The detours are quite interesting. These different types of transports vehicles speak to the diversity of the moving parts that needs to happen at the back of house before you calculate your profit. You will need to buy items from different types of stores and markets. If you're living in Lagos, you go to my 12 for your vegetables, Ebano for your canned items, Hati Plaza in VI, Oyibo for grains and, some food items like that. And then you will need different shapes and sizes and types of suppliers. It's like a dance. There's a mix and a match. Your food ingredients will come from far and wide. You buy some direct and get some from suppliers. And you may even need to plant some. You buy everything from the supermarket. If you're buying your tomatoes from, I sympathize with you ahead of your month-end report. This is one place where being posh isn't useful. You're only cool if you bend down in mile 12 and buy your vegetables or send your team. Sometimes you have to go to the market for yourself or send your team. It's okay if you're not doing this for profits. That's okay. But in this community, we're interested in the space between the revenue and the cost. We love profit. I'm not interested in plating any meal that doesn't have a decent profit margin. And as a member of this honorable community, you shouldn't. After buying the items, you would count it, portion it, receive it, issue it to the kitchen for the production of the meals. It's such a long journey. This is how to plate for profit. And in this first season of the show, we'll focus on inventory management, your inventory management, how to precisely track and manage your food ingredients and food costs so that you can make room for plenty profit. We will talk about all the things that should happen behind the scenes of your restaurant, in your store, in the market, in the kitchen, that will save you some money. No two hotels or restaurants are the same, and you need to respect that and do the things that matter for your own unique business. I know that everyone preaches buy in bulk. My sister, not everything should be bought in bulk. Not every business should buy in bulk. Buy the shoes that fit your size. You have to stick adamantly to the processes that work for your unique operations. Recognize universal principles around running a food business, but make it make sense to your own business. Not every restaurant should give customers a bread basket while they are waiting for their food orders. Yes, I said it. Some people should chill on that. They're not making money. Anyway, I'll explain all of that as we go into this series proper. So if you own, manage, or operate a restaurant business and standalone restaurant or hotel restaurant, tighten your seatbelt and let's get on this ride. I'm not just going to talk. No, I'll share PDF worksheets that will help you apply this knowledge in your business. What's the essence of knowing anything when you can't translate and apply it and get results? I'll show you processes you should adopt, how to create systems, how to help your team, what to do, when, and how to ensure that everything you do behind the restaurant brings you profit from every plate. Please subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button so that you can see us, hear us when we upload brand new videos. Our first episode will be out next week. See you in the next one. Bye.